All right, what's up, people? Quick one for you today. We have the 2024 Mustang GT on the ProForm wireless scales. And the way you see the car, this is a 400A package. It has the 10R80 automatic transmission, and it has about, I think, 3/4 of a tank of fuel. For what it's worth, a gallon of fuel weighs about 6.1 pounds. So if y'all wanted to do the math on a 16-gallon tank, you know, you can crunch the numbers and get scientific if you wanted to. But in terms of weight, it's gonna fluctuate. It's gonna difference between package, trim level, so on and so forth. So, you know, you have a 300A, 301, 400, 401A package car, then you have like a dark horse or something like that. And I know, you know, technically that could be, you know, some hair splitting thought behind all that. But at the end of the day, all of those extra, you know, parts and things and doodads and what have yous, that does add up. But for the sake of this car here, 3,843 pounds. I went back to an older video that we have on the channel. Whenever we purchased the Lightning Blue 2018 Mustang GT, it was a 300A package car and had the performance pack package. And then that car with a full tank of fuel and no driver was 3,860 pounds. So give or take the quarter tank of fuel and the number that this car is weighing, I mean, we're almost the same. So I know there was some chatter of, oh, the 2024 weighs a little bit more, and it might, you know, again, depending on that trim level and depending on that package. So let us know what you think down below. As always, if you find value in what we do, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to our channel, turn on notifications, and then till we catch you in the next one, you know what to do for all things S650 Mustang. Keep it right here with the Real Enthusiasts, LMR.com.